Lucy, say hi to Granddad. Where's Granddad? Granddad? Where's Granddaddy? He's not here. He's not here. Where is he, Luce? Lucy, what do you think about all the snow, Luce? You like it. I know you like it. Just outside playing in it. That's why she looks all crazy. Her hair's all disheveled. Granddad's not outside. Where is he? He's not out there. He's not out there. No. Where's the Granddad? Lucy. Lucy. Lucy, look. What's this? Who's the best dog? Who's the best dog? Who's the best dog? Who's the best dog? Oh, hi, Granddad. Hi, Granddad. Hi, Granddad. All right, Lucy, let's show Granddad the other side of the house. Yeah. This has actually already been cleared off once today. Of course, by Jeremy. And here's the stuff they didn't clear off. And there is the water. Lucy dog, what are you doing? What are you doing? Lucy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Lucy, what you doing? Come on, dog. Come on inside. Come on inside. Lucy, come on inside. Come on. Come on. Lucy Goosey. Lucy Goosey. Where's it? Where's it got? Where's it, Lucy? Nice. That'll help make Grandma real happy. Come on, Luce. Say bye to Granddad. Say bye to Granddad. Bye, Granddad. Love you, Granddad. He's not outside.